In this video, I'll be unboxing the Canon PIXMA TR4720, which is a printer, a copy machine, and also a fax. So let's get started right away. So on the top here, the first thing we see is a manual, the user manual with all the instructions. Next thing over here on the left side, we have a small drawer we need to pull. Inside of this package on the left side, we get the starter ink cartridges. This is the black one. It takes 275 Canon cartridges, and this is the color, which is the 276 Canon cartridge. In the middle here, we have the cables. This is a cable for the fax. If you want to use this feature, you'll need to connect it in the back of the printer. The second cable is also for the fax function. This is for the dial-up network. You need to connect it as well in the back of the printer to use this feature. And finally, we have the power cable. Now I'll take out the actual printer of the box. Before using it, you'll need to remove all the orange tape and plastic pieces that you see. And this puts an end to our unboxing. If you want to see tutorials how to set this up with an iPhone, a PC or a Mac, check my other videos. Also leave a comment, a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.